Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the absolute value. So now I will show you how to answer. About this situation, we have the formula in here. The absolute value of A is greater than or equals to number 1, or we can put about capital P. So we will have about two solutions. That should be about A is greater than or equals to B, or A is smaller than or equal to negative B. So if we apply the formula in here, you got about two equations. That's about this one is greater than or equals to number 1, or this one is smaller than or equal to negative number 1. Now I will put number 2 go to the right, similar for this one. Now I will put negative number 1 go in here. And you got about 2 plus 1 is equal to number 3. This one go in here. You got about negative number 2 plus 1. You got about negative number 1. But we know that S square, this is about even power. Even power, they provide a positive number. So that means this one, we don't have solution. Because this one is about negative, but this one is about positive. That's why we don't have solution of this one. So about S square is greater than or equal to number 3. If we put the square root for the both sides, you got about S is smaller than or equal to negative with the square root of number 3. And S is greater than or equals to the square root of number 3. And this is the final answer of the question. This is the end. Thank you for watching.